Hello everyone, welcome to Time with Sylvia. Today let's try this method of preparing tomato stew. This was delicious. This tasted and smelled so good. So let's get into the ingredients. We have some tomatoes, we have some red big peppers, some onions, some garlic, and some carrots. We'll be adding more, but I'll put all in the description box for you to see and also follow. If today is your first time on my page, please subscribe to my page, like, and then also comment and also share. Okay, so go ahead and prep our ingredient by cutting all of them into small sizes to enable us to blend and also for it to cook very well and fast. Okay, so after cutting all of it, add all the ingredients onto the baking pan. Okay, at this moment I realized that it was just too much on one baking pan, so I divided it into two. Okay, I went ahead and then added the spices. Okay, I'll list all of them in the description box so that you can follow and also get it correctly. But I use some chili peppers, chili flakes. Okay, I use some black pepper, some star anise, some bay leaves. I added a bit of salt. Okay, and then oil, a substantial amount of oil. Okay, and then I bake this for 30 minutes while turning it so that it will not burn. Okay, I went ahead and then I blended everything together. The smell from just this one was amazing. It was amazing. So go ahead and add some oil into your pan and then add your onions. Okay, I added a bit of chopped garlic at this moment. Okay, at this moment add your tin tomatoes. I sent Oga to buy me tin tomatoes and that is what I had, so I had to use it like that. But you can use your own tin tomatoes if you get a proper one. Okay, so at this point I added everything to the pan. I added a bit of salt. Okay, I also added a bit of sauce from a chicken I was grilling, and that was it. I didn't add any more spices to this. Okay, this was smelling great. The aroma from this was amazing. Okay, I left it on low heat for about an hour, and there you have it. Okay, there you have it. I had 3 packs and then some small bits, and then the little that was left in the pan, I added some rice for my jollof. So please try this and let me know how it tastes. Okay, till the next video, stay blessed.